The Tyger T3 soft tri-fold tonneau cover is the perfect solution to cover your truck bed with style and only takes a few minutes to install. In this video, we will be installing on a 2019 Ford F-150 with a 5.5-foot bed. If the truck's front bed rail or tailgate is lower than the sides, use the provided weather seal strip. Gaps on the front bed or tailgate will cause noise and flapping issues while the vehicle is in motion. The clamps are already attached to the assembled cover. There are 2 front clamps, 2 front safety clamps, and 2 rear clamps. Place the assembled cover on the bulkhead against the cab. Unbuckle the safety strap and unfold the cover completely towards the tailgate. Make sure the cover is aligned on all sides. Then carefully fold the cover up to the cab without moving its position. Pull down the front clamp. Then hook the clamp's jaw portion onto the metal bed rail lip and turn the knob until the side Q seal is compressed for a snug fit. The position of the clamp has been pre-assembled for optimal fitment on your vehicle, but if needed, release the top Phillips head screw and then the clamp can be relocated to any of the 3 horizontal positions. Next, install the 2 front safety clamps for additional security. Unfold the cover completely towards the tailgate. Pull down the rear clamps and hook onto the bed rail lip to ensure a snug fit. Close the tailgate to complete the installation. To access the truck bed, open the tailgate and pull the 2 clamp handles up to release the rear clamps. Fold the cover over once and then secure the rear clamps to the side with the jaw portion facing down. When the vehicle is in motion, safety straps must be buckled if cover is folded to the cab or if cover is closed. All 6 clamps must be securely attached to the truck.
With an American-made Gator ETX soft rolling cover, your cargo is no longer exposed to the elements and prying eyes. With its ability to roll and store all the way to the cab, it's never in your way. It can be installed in about 15 minutes using just a socket wrench with 9/16" and 1/2" sockets. Begin by cleaning your truck bed rails. Next, open the box and remove the cover and all of its components. Start with the driver's side rail. It is the rail with the trigger latch. With the tailgate closed, position the side rail by equally compressing the seats on either end between the cab and the tailgate. Then, install the clamps. To install the clamps, position 1 in the middle, 1 close to the bulkhead, and the 3rd near the tailgate. Push the clamp as high as possible on the bed rail flange. Finger tighten it first to make sure the teeth of the clamp engage with the grooves of the side rail. Once satisfied with the placement of all 3 clamps, tighten the bolt with the 1/2" socket while holding the clamp firmly in one hand to keep the clamp from slipping or spinning. Repeat these steps on the other side to install the passenger side rail. Cover tension is controlled by adjustable blocks. To start, place the 4 position blocks as shown, with the number 4 on top and closest to the cab of the truck. Secure the block with the hitch pin in the number 2 hole. This setting applies the least amount of tension to the cover. Make sure both driver and passenger side blocks are in the same position. Once the cover is on, it may be necessary to go back and adjust the blocks until proper tension has been achieved. Next, position the cover on the bulkhead, allowing the bolts to slide through the pre-drilled slots. Place the plastic washer and thread the nut onto the bolt. Be careful not to over-tighten the nut and plastic washer connection. Unhook the retainer straps and unroll the cover to the tailgate. Notice how the cover fits into the grooves at the end of the rails. Then, firmly shut the cover. Next, press down on the hook and loop fasteners along the length of the truck bed. To open the cover, pull the trigger release on the driver's side rail. Then, you roll the cover towards the cab. Secure the cover by using both retainer straps and never stow the cover against the cab. This allows you complete access to your truck bed. Thanks for choosing an American-made Gator cover.
With so many tonneau covers on the market, why should you choose a Tonno Pro? Tonno Pro is the maker of the highest quality truck bed covers at the most affordable prices. Our Tonno Fold is one of the most popular covers. Its tri-fold design allows for quick and easy access and allows you to travel with the cover in either the open or closed position, depending on the size of your cargo. What else makes this truck bed cover stand out from all the others? Here are the facts. The first and most important thing you will notice is the front seal and flap. Tonno Pro uses a proprietary rubber designed for outdoor use, able to withstand extreme heat, cold, salt, and UV exposure, all while keeping your truck bed dry and clean. The rubber gasket is soft and flexible, allowing for the ultimate seal. Other Tonno covers use a simple foam tape that can dry out and crack, leaving your valuable cargo exposed to the elements. The Tonno Pro flap is sewn in for added security, unlike others which are only glued in. The next thing to note is our vinyl. Using double-sided marine-grade vinyl that resists mildew, salt, and chemicals, Tonno Pro vinyl is the highest standard in the industry and is backed by a 10-year warranty, at least double that of other vinyl folding covers. Next, you'll notice the stitching. Tonno Pro uses 4 stitches per inch compared to the industry standard of 3, significantly strengthening our seams. Tonno Pro also uses a new state-of-the-art thread with special coating. The coating swells to fill the hole created by the needle during stitching, preventing even the smallest drop of moisture from getting through. Supporting the vinyl is a special blend 6063 aluminum alloy frame with a black epoxy powder coat. Originally designed for use in architecture, it has a high tensile rating, meaning it can bend and stretch without breaking. When it comes to installation, Tonno Pro has the competition beat. The Tonno Fold cover is lightweight, yet durable, and can be installed by one person without tools in 15 minutes or less thanks to the Tonno Pro Easy Clamps. Made from impact-resistant nylon and featuring a patent slide design, your Tonno Fold is guaranteed to have a perfect fit and maintain strength even under the most brutal conditions. Best of all, no drilling is required, helping to maintain the value of your truck. The Tonno Fold cover is backed by a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. And right now, Tonno Pro is offering 4 free gifts with every purchase. Order now and you'll receive the following: Pro Clean, manufactured exclusively to clean, condition, and protect vinyl. Its UV inhibitors will keep your tonneau cover looking like new. A pair of Pro Gloves, perfect for your glove box. They'll protect your hands from automotive grime. You'll also receive the Tonno Torch, a super bright LED light that comes with a Velcro fastener so it can be attached anywhere you need light in your truck bed or elsewhere. Lastly, you'll receive Shore Seal, Tonno Pro's special tailgate seal that provides a barrier against dust and moisture. Tonno Pro helps you save money too. With the aerodynamics of the Tonno Fold cover, you will enjoy up to 10 to 13% savings on gas. When it comes to quality, ease of installation, and price, it's no wonder Tonno Pro is the consumer's choice. Get covered with Tonno Pro.
This is Jeff with Bestop's marketing team. We're here with our Easy Fold tonneau. Bestop makes 3 types of tonneaus. The Easy Fold has no bed rail, so you don't have to attach anything other than just the tonneau piece, and it only takes a couple minutes. So we're going to show you how to do that right now. So the great thing about an Easy Fold tonneau is that it comes all assembled in one piece. In the box, you're going to have the install guide and the tonneau cover, and that's it. First, you want to remove the protective backing from the foam. Next, you want to place the tonneau on the bed with the latches towards the cab. The Easy Fold tonneau attaches with 4 clamps, like you can see here. So what you want to do is tighten down the front clamps. Detach the latch, unfold the tonneau, and finally just clamp down the last 2 latches.